So we're back. The patio table we put up. We made a mistake video before because my cousins didn't know it was going on YouTube. So, is this finished yet? Yeah. And we're having a barbecue. Look at this. We've all in our flip-flops and our summery shoes under here. I like to take mine off because it's nice. I hope we get a lot of comments and subscribers on this video because there's so many people like in the garden. What's a magic candle? Comment down below if you've got a magic candle.
I'll get the other table up.
So yeah.
No, that's
So,
alright.
let's get cracking. Most people have flip-flops on. So, yeah, this is Zaki. This is Tilly. And this is Owen. So, 82.
And the one who's doing the video is called Freya. If you already know.
Yeah, they already know my name is Freya, guys. I've made so many videos you wouldn't believe it. Am I allowed my feet on the patio table?
You're ruining the video again. You have to do another one or they'll laugh all along.
You're supposed to. Hello. Stop. What are these? Gonna be a wizard. Gosh, I like this. We've done so much for a barbecue. No.
I know wizard around here, Freya.
Da da da.
Come on, I'm the go wizard.
Right, you need to hold this, Tilly.
And a broomstick.
Come on, stand together, guys. Stand together. You look. There's a witch and there's a wizard. Oh, cute. You're so close to the camera. So, yeah, we bought this patio table today.
Of course we did. How we can put our food outside on the floor.
So,
hello, my lady, Holy Freya.
I don't know what's going on.
I don't know what's going on.
There's going to be a part 2 very soon. I think these guys have gone a bit crazy.